What's up, guys? Today I would like to do a breakdown of a trade I took on Friday. So first let me show you my live recording, and then I'll walk you through my thought process while taking this trade. Okay, so if you're gonna close about this FEVG, I'm gonna enter longs.
5 minutes later.
Okay, so I'm long here. And I think I'm gonna add more here. Oh, wait a second. Yes, I'm adding more here. Okay, nice reaction. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take partials right here and the rest above the high. Okay, I'm gonna move my stop to break even at this point. Okay, partial taken. Come on, now we need the new high. Okay, so okay. Target hit. The last couple of weeks was really easy. You just press buy and hold. Okay, so now let's talk about the trade. So on Friday in the morning, my day started with requesting a payout from Lucid Prop Firm. And after 5 minutes, I received the payout and asked myself, do I really want to trade today or should I take the day off? But since the last couple of weeks, the market was really trendy, I decided to give it a try. So what I did, just like in the previous video I told you, I always mark the daily open. 1 second. Right here. And I saw that we are above daily open. So I will be only looking for longs. Then I open 15-minute time frame. And I'm looking for support areas. I see one right here. Right here. And right here. So before the market opened, I was interested in this IFVG because I have two entry models. It's either IFVG or CISD. So I wanted to price to close above this area, this green area, then retrace. Let me see. Close above, then retrace, and then go to my target. My target was this AM high right here. So 9:30 open right here. The price closed above this FEVG, so all I was waiting for is the price to retrace to this area to enter longs with my stop below this low and my target this high. So as you can see, the price retraced to this area, took some lows right here, and then in just a matter of a couple of minutes reached my target. It's pretty simple, guys, the same model as I told you about. This is the only model I've been using lately. And yeah, thank you for watching. Have a great day.